Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to change the language in an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I do very clear so you can change the language regardless of what language your printer is in currently and what language you would like it changed to. So, first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. So, we're going to drag the screen along until we get to settings, represented by this little cog. So press to go into settings, and we need to be in general settings, which is the top option. Then we need to be in basic settings, which again is the top option. Then we're going to drag ourselves down to language, which is the 8th option down I've counted. And you've just got 3 below it if you needed to confirm. Press to go into that, and we have a full list of all the different languages your printer uses. So just drag till you find one in whatever language you desire, select, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If you've got anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.